Welcome friends, in this video we are going to learn how to calculate or check a number, it is even or odd in shell script. So let's start it. And if you are new to my channel, just subscribe, and if you want to get full playlist or full tutorial of shell script learning, so just go to the description below or just visit our channel, you will get full tutorial. So I have opened my text editor. You can use any text editor also. I have just used Ctrl N, and then untitled I want to save it, Ctrl S, then even or odd dot sh. Sh is used to shell script extension. Now I want to clear the screen, so I want to use a message that even or odd in shell script. So now what we have to do is that we have to read a number. So we will use echo and to give a message to user to enter a number. The number is given by user and we will read in a variable, suppose t. Now I will check if it is even or odd. Even or odd, how we can check? If it is divisible by 2 and remainder will be 0, then it is even, otherwise it is odd. Then I want to write a expression if. Test it is that if expression, then we have to use this expr mod I mod t and module 2 equals to 0 minus eq equals to 0, then it will tell us that it is even, otherwise it is odd. Remember, I have used if, then you have to careful about your space. You have to give here also a space, and then after third bracket you have to give a space, and then this sign and this expr, you have don't have any space between expr and this sign, and then you have to give a space, and then dollar sign t, it is used for value of which is given by user. Then I have used percent module, it is the module. If module 2 means it is divisible by 2, and if it is remainder equals to 0, you have to give the space, and also here you have to give the space. Then what happen? Then we will echo that mod t is even, otherwise it is, else it is echo is odd, module t is odd. Then we have run a if. If we start a if, then we have to complete it using fi. Then I want to show it here, result echo. This n is used for why? For used for give the cursor, it remain the cursor at the same line. So result, result. Then I have saved it, and then I want to run it. I will use cyg win for running purpose. Then I want to control it, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. I have opened cyg win installer. Now I want to create one file using vi space. You are using Linux, you can just directly go to the terminal, open your terminal and just type vi, or other you want to, I want to give a name even or odd dot sh. I have entered. This will show this way, and just press I for insert. Then in Windows just press shift and then insert. Pressed shift and then holding shift, then insert button, and after that use esc and then use colon and wq you used save and exits. After open, see you have backed in your terminal, and just run bash and then type your file name, then enter. See, according to our code, it is at first it print even or odd in shell script, then this program will say us that enter a number. Suppose I want to give a number 5, then I press enter. See, 5 is odd. Now again I want to run it for even, then I want to give 44, then see, it is even. And if you like this video, just give a like, and if you are new to channel, then subscribe, and don't forget to share your video. And if you face any problem regarding code, just inform us in comment below. And if it is a Discord server, and I will give a link from where you will join, and don't need to write code, I will give a link from where you will get full code. And if you post any problem here, you just type on it and just enter. Here many numbers of user who was from programmer from background, they are present, they will solve as soon as possible. So see you in next video.